Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a fixed call to action button in Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to keep an important contact button visible at all times, making it easier for visitors to reach you no matter where they are on your page. Let's jump right in. First, head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your websites. Simply click on the website where you want to create this fixed call to action button. This will take you into the editing interface for that specific site. Now, on the left side menu, click on Website, and just underneath that option, you'll see Pages. Click on Pages to view all the different pages within your site. This is where you'll locate the exact page you want to add the Fix button to, browse through your pages, and find the one where you want this call to action button to appear. Once you've found it, click on that page to open it. Then look for the Edit button and click it. This will allow you to start making changes to the page layout and content within the section where you want the button to appear. Click on Add Block, and menu will pop up with various block options. From this menu, click on Button. This inserts a button block into your page, which we'll customize in just a moment. Next, click on the button block you just added, and you'll see a pencil icon appear. Click that pencil icon to open the editing options. In the text field, you can rename the text inside the button to whatever call to action you prefer, like Call Us or Contact Now. After you've set the text, click on Attach Link. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on URL to open it, then select Phone from the options. Now, enter the phone number you want the button to dial when clicked. Once you've entered the number, click Save, and then click Exit to close the editing panel. On the left side menu, click on Custom Code, and under that, click on Custom CSS. This is where we'll add the code that makes the button fixed, so it stays visible as users scroll. Now, I'm using an extension on Chrome called Squarespace ID Finder. You can install it to help you identify specific elements or blocks in Squarespace. It's really handy for this kind of customization. I'll activate the extension now and copy the ID of the button we just created. Once you have the ID, paste it into the custom CSS field. Now I'll paste the custom CSS code here. Feel free to pause the video and copy the code for your own use. You can adjust the width and height of the button depending on what will suit your website's design and layout best. This flexibility ensures the button looks great and functions perfectly on your site. After you've pasted and customized the code, click Save, and that's it. You've successfully created a fixed call to action button that will stay visible as visitors scroll through your page, making it super easy for them to get in touch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.